Hi guys, welcome back to Eddie Gillis. My name is Eddie, and this is Travis.
Hello, my name is Travis.
And today we'll be building a Minecraft Lego set.
I built it before.
So the constructions say the first piece.
We gotta make Steve, and I already did it. I already made Steve, yeah.
And the chicken.
And the chicken's in that pit.
Hopefully Gerald is here because he would attack this thing.
Wait, who's Gerald?
Gerald.
Who's Gerald?
The hat dude.
Oh, where's Gerald?
I don't know. But we can not listen to this. Okay, so where's the chicken?
He's right there, Eddie.
So we need these two pieces. These two pieces. Chicken upside down. These two pieces. And put the
Watch the helicopter.
and put this piece on the back of the chicken. Travis.
What? It's not even 1 minute, and you haven't done anything. Oh wow.
Okay, so
This is
we've made Steve and chicken.
and also creeper. Yeah.
So
Let me read. Can I read?
just fine.
Yeah. Stop.
Literally, nobody's gonna look at this video. So you gotta show them first.
We're making the crafting tables. If you know what Minecraft is, then yeah, you know what a crafting table is. Here, this is a crafting table. And yeah. And then we make a pig. How do you make a pig?
Travis.
How do you make a fat pig? Tell me how you make a fat pig.
Okay, so
It's gonna be like
The
the
next
Timothy the fat pig.
Timothy. Who's Timothy?
Your mom. Hey guys, I made it. Eddie, what are you doing?
Then he made the pig.
Yep. Next page. I already made the creature.
Okay, so the next one.
Iron.
Yeah, iron.
So this piece, this piece, then get these.
So this is the next page.
Is it 2 layered or 1 layered?
It's 1 layer. Oh, 2 layer. 2 layer.
Okay. Thank you, Eddie. To JJ.
$90 you can't watch right now. So far we've just made the pig, the chicken, and a crafting table.
And an iron block. And an iron block.
Yeah.
Skip.
So then
Skip, we also made that.
yeah, we also made a creeper. Wish we could stand this up on something. Can I just
I'm trying to build here. Okay, so I need this piece. So I put this right here. This right here.
That's what we've made.
Eddie, stop. We made that. Yeah, we made that.
So then
Eddie, I'm doing it.
the next
Stop!
page. This is the next page.
Make me so mad.
We have to show the viewers, or if we don't, then this video would get zero views.
Oh, true. Sorry, guys. Starts here.
Huh?
Except this goes here, Eddie.
Oh. I keep dropping pieces.
Didn't stop falling.
I told you we should have done this at the Lego table.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Eddie, now look. It's like this, and then you can click this.
Oh yeah. So
Okay, now this. Now get these.
we made this, but there's more to it.
Now get
Oh,
these two.
there.
Eddie, it doesn't say that. It says where's this piece? It says to get this piece. Put it right here. And then we want. Wait, where do I put that? Oh, I put this piece right here.
Yeah.
Okay, next page.
So I gotta show that. We've made this. Hey, you knocked down the viewers.
Sorry. That was kind of fun. Okay, so this goes here. And then this goes here. And then this goes here.
Yeah.
And I get these two. This one goes here. And this one goes here.
So far, we're on.
We got this little spring thingy.
Hey!
Hey! Stop it! Okay, we're on this one. Next. So I'm saying this goes to Eddie. I'm still not done. Eddie Gillis. Wait, what's your last name?
Gillis.
I meant no name.
That's literally the name of my YouTube channel.
Because
Yes.
what's your last name?
Gillis.
Middle name. Your middle name's Gillis? What is it? Okay. He's dead. Eddie, they're creeping under, crawling, and they're about to arrest you.
I just want to have pickles in every video.
Oh, yeah, we got pickles.
The giant cat.
The giant cat.
Steve is afraid of the giant cat.
Pickles!
Pickles!
Pickles legit knocked Steve! Pickles! Pickles, why would you do that? So I need this. I need two of this. So this goes here.
Better show them.
Eddie, if you do it one more time. Eddie Picasso Gillis.
That's not my last name. That's not my middle name. Picasso.
Then what is it?
James.
Eddie James Gillis. Gillis.
Gillis.
Gillis.
Gillis.
Gillis.
Make fun of my name.
Gillis. Eddie, you broke the table. That's so hard. Can I say something, Eddie?
What?
You smacked the table so hard that your head the whole video broke. I'm not making fun of you. I'm telling the truth. Eddie, do you have 40s?
Huh? Yeah.
40s, where are they?
Are you supposed to have one?
Yes.
Oh, here's one. If that stupid ghost tries to do that again. Oh, one in the box.
In the box.
In the box. I'm telling you, that stupid ghost.
What stupid ghost? Oh, Gerald?
The ghost of Gerald.
Yeah. Imagine Gerald's still alive. He probably is. Okay, Eddie. I know how to finish it up. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with Pikachu?
Pikachu. 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 Pikachu.
Okay, Eddie, now we got a big job here.
Why can't I build?
Because you're gonna mess it up. Seriously, Eddie. You're about to finish.
What about this?
I don't need it. I said I don't need it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Eddie, finished. Look.
Oh.
That's cool, right?
Yeah.
Wait, let's show it.
How is this video like 12, 11 minutes long?
I know. That was 11 minutes. Here, watch. Oopsie.
You cannot.
What do you mean? I haven't knocked anything down. Well, I probably have. Hey, Eddie. Eddie, can I show
Maybe
you
when
the
you
ones I
knock the
have?
whole.
Can I show you the ones I have? I have those two as well.
Cool.
And they're so boring. Like,
You finished?
okay, guys, look. It says no hitting people with it. Eddie.
Yeah.
Hey!
Don't hit me.
Oh, it says no hitting people, but did that hurt?
Yes. Oh my nose. Oh my nose.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop it, chicken.
Chicken.
You guys watch this.
I'm going to the bathroom. This is literally the cringiest video on earth.
Bye, guys.